Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable night light in Android 15 beta. To enable night light, slide down from the top of your screen, then slide down again. And now, if you have night light in these shortcuts, you can just enable it. And if you don't have it, click on the pencil icon and just rearrange tiles. These are the tiles that are not added to your shortcuts menu. And these are the shortcuts that are added. Just drag and hold them and move them up. Make sure night light is in these added tiles. I'm gonna just move it a bit higher and then go back. And now when I slide down from the top of my screen and slide down again, I can find night light here. And you can see that it adjusts the light to night vision. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.